For many years, patients viewed an appointment checklist as simply a list of things to bring to a medical appointment. But today's healthcare requires a different approach. Your appointment checklist is not just about collecting items to bring to your visit. Your appointment checklist is about learning how to think differently before you walk into your appointment. Think of it this way. Every medical appointment is built around a conversation. And the quality of that conversation not only depends on the information you have, but also on how readily available that information is when your provider needs it. Having the right information organized and accessible helps the conversation move beyond gathering facts, so you and your provider can focus on understanding your concerns and making informed decisions together. Learning to recognize what information matters and having it available when it matters most is one of the most valuable skills you can develop as a patient. As your approach to appointment preparation begins to change, you'll naturally start recognizing the information your provider needs to understand your health more completely. Symptoms, medications, questions, previous records, recent changes, and daily challenges all contribute to the story of your health. Understanding why each piece of information matters helps you become a more confident participant in your care. For your next appointment, begin paying attention to the information that surrounds your health. Rather than asking yourself, "What do I need to bring?" begin asking, "What information will help my provider better understand what is happening with my health?" That single question changes the purpose of the appointment. Preparing for an appointment becomes less about remembering items and more about understanding what information supports better decisions. Before we move on to the next video, I'd like to leave you with one final thought. For now, don't worry about creating the perfect appointment checklist. Focus on building the habit of recognizing what information may be important to your care. As you continue through the series, you'll learn how to organize that information in a way that helps you feel more prepared and confident at every appointment. And when you're ready, scroll down to the next step, where you'll learn how to ask the right questions at the right time and understand who is best equipped to answer them. Thanks for watching.